African elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. There are two species of African elephants: the African bush elephant and the African forest elephant. African elephants are herbivores, meaning they only eat plants. They have trunks that can weigh up to 140 kilograms, 300 pounds, and are used for breathing, smelling, drinking, and grabbing objects. An elephant's trunk is a fusion of its nose and upper lip. African elephants have large ears that help them regulate their body temperature. The ears of African elephants are shaped like the continent of Africa, while Asian elephant ears are smaller and more rounded. Both male and female African elephants have tusks, which are elongated incisor teeth. Elephants use their tusks for digging, lifting objects, and defense. Tusks are also a source of protection and help in asserting dominance within the herd. African elephants live in various habitats, including savannas, forests, deserts, and marshes. They are found in 37 countries across sub-Saharan Africa. The largest populations of African elephants are found in countries like Botswana, Tanzania, Zimbabwe, Kenya, and South Africa. African elephants live in family groups called herds, which are led by the oldest female known as the matriarch. Herds can consist of up to 100 elephants, depending on the area and availability of resources. Male elephants usually leave the herd when they reach puberty and may live alone or in bachelor groups. African elephants have a gestation period of about 22 months, the longest of any land animal. Newborn elephants, called calves, can weigh up to 120 kilograms, 265 pounds, at birth. Calves are cared for by the entire herd and are usually nursed for about 2 years. African elephants communicate through a variety of sounds, including trumpeting, roaring, and rumbling. They also use low-frequency vibrations to communicate over long distances, a behavior known as seismic communication. Elephants have excellent memories and can remember distant water sources, migration routes, and other elephants they have encountered. They are known to mourn their dead and have been observed performing burial rituals. African elephants are important for their role in shaping their habitats. They create clearings in forests and dig holes that provide water for other animals. Their dung is an important source of food for many species of insects and helps fertilize the soil. African elephants are classified as vulnerable to extinction by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, due to habitat loss, poaching for ivory, and human-wildlife conflict. Conservation efforts include protected areas, anti-poaching measures, and community-based conservation initiatives. Elephants have a unique way of keeping cool. They flap their ears to create air currents and help lower their body temperature. They can also use mud and dust as a sunscreen and insect repellent by coating themselves in it. African elephants can walk silently despite their size, using spongy pads on their feet to dampen sound. They have a keen sense of smell and can detect water sources from several miles away. Elephants are known to be playful, engaging in activities like splashing in water, dust bathing, and mock fighting. African elephants are capable of reaching speeds up to 40 kilometers per h, 25 miles per hour when charging. They have thick, wrinkled skin that helps protect them from sunburn and insect bites. African elephants have 6 sets of teeth throughout their lifetime. As each set wears out, it is replaced by the next, until the last set is worn down in old age. Elephants are highly intelligent and are capable of problem-solving and showing empathy. They have been observed using tools, such as using branches to swat insects or scratching hard-to-reach places. African elephants are known to be adaptable, which helps them survive in a variety of habitats and climates. They are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during the dawn and dusk hours. Elephants have a complex social structure and form strong bonds with family members and other herd mates. Their lifespan in the wild is typically 60, 70 years, though some individuals have been known to live longer. African elephants are browsers, meaning they feed on a variety of plants including grasses, leaves, fruits, and bark. They require a large amount of food, up to 150 kilograms, 330 pounds of vegetation per day, for an adult elephant. Elephants have a unique way of drinking. They suck water into their trunks and then squirt it into their mouths. They are excellent swimmers and can use their trunks as a snorkel while swimming. The skin of African elephants can be various shades of gray, depending on the amount of dust and mud they have coated themselves in. Elephants are known to have complex vocalizations and can communicate over long distances to coordinate group movements or warn of danger. The elephant's brain is the largest of any land animal, weighing up to 5 kilograms, 11 pounds. They have strong familial bonds and exhibit caring behaviors towards injured or sick herd members. African elephants are a symbol of strength, wisdom, and conservation, revered in many cultures across Africa and around the world.